So friends, let's learn first equation of motion by different methods. There are three methods by which we can obtain equation of motion. The three methods are algebraical method, graphical method and calculus method. Let us see this method one by one and then see how to solve question using first equation of motion. So for that, number first, you are going to learn method 1. Method 1. This is algebraic method to obtain first equation of motion. So for this method, I am directly using the definition of acceleration. So according to definition of acceleration, according to definition of acceleration, acceleration A is equals to change in velocity divided by time interval. So A is equals to V minus U, where V is final velocity and U is initial velocity, divided by time t2 minus t1. As when we start, then time interval is maximum time taken is 0. So I am writing here, let t1 equal to 0 second and t2 equals to t. Then you have A is equals to V minus U upon t minus 0. So you have AT is equals to V minus U. Thus you have V equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion in kinematics, which we have find using algebraical method. Now method number second. Method number second involve graphical method. Let us understand graphical method. For graphical method, let us draw a uniform velocity time graph. So this is a uniform velocity time graph for here taking time t. Let v in meter per second. Let it start with some initial velocity and it move uniformly. So this is u, initial velocity, and this is said to be v, final velocity. So let us draw this line. This is the angle theta tangent here. So this is A, B, C. So here when you take the tan theta, you have in right triangle BAC, tan theta is equals to BC upon AC. What is BC? Since this is V and this is U, so BC equals to V minus U. So you have BC equals to V minus U, and time, it is starting from time t equal to 0 to time t. So time is t minus 0. We know that this change in velocity divided by time is acceleration. So as change in velocity divided by time is acceleration. So you have v minus u by t equals to again a. So v minus u equals to at and v equals to u plus at. Thus graphically you find that velocity equals to u plus at, and you will learn one more thing, that slope of a triangle gives acceleration, because tan theta is slope of the triangle. What you learn? Also you learn that slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration. Now let us learn the same thing with the third method. Third method is calculus method. So here you are going to learn by calculus. So instantaneous acceleration, instantaneous acceleration is A equals to dv upon dt. This is said to be instantaneous acceleration. So you have dv equals to A into dt. Let's integrate it with proper limit. Integrating with proper limit. So you have integration here, dv, limit is u to v, and on the RHS side a integration dt, and time is 0 to t. So here you have on the LHS side integration of dv is v, so write here v, give a bracket, write here u, v is equals to, this a is constant because does not depend on dt, so take the a out, so a is outside, dt 0 to t. Now here v minus u, put the upper limit here, give a minus sign, then put the lower limit here, is equals to a, here you have t, square bracket 0 to t, so you have a t minus 0, you have on the LHS side v minus u, so v minus u equals to 8t, again you have the same thing, so v equals to u plus 8t. Thus this is the first equation of motion which we have solved by three methods known as algebraical method, known as graphical method, and calculus method. Now let us see a numerical used by first equation of motion. Let us have a numerical. Let us have a VT graph. This is in meter per second. This is time is in second. Let it start from origin and it move like this, such that this is 5 second, this is 10 second, this is 0 second, and maximum velocity is 12 meter per second. Now in this graph the question asks different things. Different things are, number first you have to find acceleration. A is equals to what? Between 0 to 5 second. So A equals to what? Between 0 to 5 second. Now number second, A equals to what? Between 5 to 10 second. 5 to 10 second. Number third, velocity equals to what? You have to find velocity after 2 seconds of start. So v equals to what? After 2 seconds of start. Just I have framed a question for you. Now let us see the solution one by one. Number first, you have to find A. So you have the formula v equals to u plus at. Now see here, when it is 0 to 5 second, at 0 second speed or velocity is 0. So u is 0 here, and at 5 second velocity is 12, so it is 12 here, plus a, you don't know a, you have to find a, and here 0, 5, so 5 minus 0 is 5, so it is 5. So a is equals to 12 upon 5, which is equals to 2.4 meter per second. So it is the acceleration of 2.4 meter per second. Now number second, for 5 to 10 second, again you have v equals to u plus at. Now see this side, here initial speed is 12 because it starts from this point, so this is 12. And finally when it come to the 10 second, v becomes 0. So this is finally is 0 plus a, and time is, interval is 5 to 10 second between, so 10 minus 5 is again 5. So you have again 5. So here you a equals to minus 12 by 5. This means that a equals to minus 2.4 meter per second. So here this is said to be acceleration and this is said to be deceleration or retardation. So here it is acceleration and here it is deceleration or retardation. So it is minus 2.4 meter per second square. Here it will be square because it is acceleration. Now next you have to find velocity after 2 seconds of start. So number third, v is equals to u plus at. So what is u? When it starts from initially it is 0. And what is a? A is 2.4. So write here 2.4. And after 2 seconds, this means that time is 2. So you have 4.8 meter per second. Thus you have learned first equation of motion by different form and how to solve numerical based on this. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Physics Gold, Ravi Kumar. Thank you.